when you and I spoke prior to this podcast, you had a great line, and I'm going to use it. You called it get-home-itis.
You're right.
How do you, when you mentor these young individuals, explain to them and talk about February 3rd, 1959, the day the music died, or the unfortunate thing with JFK Jr., where and this is me speaking on my own behalf of get-home-itis, where they pushed it too far. How do you explain to them by using examples in history that you can never cut corners when it comes to an aircraft?
Yeah, the get-home-itis term I use is really was termed to the pilots, because when we did accident investigations, and I was involved in several that were just that. They didn't have to fly today. They didn't have to cut the corner to get home. The weather wasn't really right for them to be flying. So the biggest thing is, I guess, to explain to them that this need, mainly with the operational side, with the pilots, is the need to get home should be the last thing on your list. Because if you absolutely positively have to get there, drive. Don't fly. I mean, it's as simple as that. Because the problem is you take the chance to get there, and then all of a sudden, I got to get home, and the weather turns bad, and our decision, this is the human factors thing. Our decision making isn't always that good. It's that I'd rather sleep in my bed tonight than check into a hotel, but maybe you won't sleep in your bed tonight. So, I mean, you gotta put that concept in their mind and literally scare them a little bit. And I don't like to do that, because that sets a whole nother. I don't really want to be involved in this business. I did it for 45, almost 46 years coming up. I never lost sleep at night. When I went to sleep at night, my conscience was clean. I did the right thing all the time. So, those are the people we want in this business, and I think those are the people that we rely on to do the job right.
That's impactful, because that's just extremely impactful. Because if you look at the weather advisories and they're ignored, is there software or things, is it human factors that are being done to teach these young pilots about weather advisories, and when it comes out, not to ignore them and to take them with the utmost seriousness?
Yeah, I'm not being a professed pilot here. I only maintain them, but
which is a very important role.
I do know that that friends of mine are flight instructors, and I'm always busting them about a little more. You need to teach these guys a little more about pre-flight, a little bit more about what they're looking at when they walk around this airplane. As far as the weather and stuff goes, I know the guys that I've flown with, the guys that I've been instructed me when I started flying a little bit, they were very, very in tune to that sort of stuff. If it's not good today, we're not going up. And furthermore, it's not a good experience flying in bad weather. I can tell you that too.